And welcome again to Vintage Farmhouse and our YouTube channel, demonstrating some of the china being listed on the Vintage and Antiques website, and a very fine teapot to show you this afternoon. Recognise the make and shape, it's quite distinctive. For fans of Royal Albert, there's going to be no mistaking this, and the pattern you'll probably be able to name as well. Not one of the very common ones, and out of production for quite some time now. This is Lavender Rose, and a very fine large 2 1/4 to 2.5 pint teapot. Let's just show you the first quality Royal Albert china marks. Let's see if I can just get a focus on that. There we go. First class or first quality marks we know because there's no scraping or drilling over that printed factory mark. Reads Royal Albert, Bone China, England, so an English piece. It's also a 1961 copyright Royal Albert mark. You can see that just along the bottom here under the name Lavender Rose, which is the pattern or design. Pattern on this teapot's absolutely beautiful, really nice condition. If I just show you the inside where the tea leaf sieves are, you can see there's a little bit of tannin staining just on the inner aspects of the lower spout, but it's been cleaned really beautifully, and the actual spout itself is in perfect condition. So has been used, but in very good near mint condition despite that. I think it's only had a couple of outings over its lifetime. Lid's a thing of beauty as well, with this beautiful characteristic handle on the top. Nice blockwork of transfer design in two, one larger and one smaller block on the rear. Little retaining lip just there holding the lid in place, and the handle again beautifully decorated with the gilt detailing by the decorators when it's been made. So a fine large 2 1/2 pint teapot. Just let me get the focus back for you. Don't confuse this with the smaller version. They did make a 1.5 pint version, which is quite often more readily available, but to find this large 2 1/2 pint job in such good condition is extremely rare. We have a small quantity of Lavender Rose teaware also available on the website, so do have a browse. But this teapot is going on sale. It's a very rare item. It's in very fine, near mint condition, and I challenge you to find another one in this condition available for sale currently. Thanks for watching. If you'd like more details, sizes, measurements, everything you need to know to make your decision is on the website listing, and we'll pop a link in the description below which will run you through to that website. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.